Hey guys, so don't mind my naked face today. As you can tell, I have a bikini on. I might go sit out in the pool with my son because it's pretty warm out. So I just didn't bother with makeup in case I get splashed in the face or something. Some of it comes off, whatever. Anyway, here I am drinking my Amare juice again. This stuff is amazing. It is for gut health and serotonin and dopamine. It is to fix the balance of serotonin and dopamine in your gut. 90% of serotonin is produced in your gut, and 70% of dopamine is also produced in your gut. So there is a very big connection between the gut-brain barrier. Now, something else that I did, actually, I thought of this, is, as you can see, here is a plastic water bottle, and it's hard to see, but there is a black obsidian crystal in it. Now, I've done that for a reason. I did that because I had a black obsidian crystal water bottle. Actually, I had 3 of them. The first one broke on me. The second one I accidentally left on the bus on the way to work, and I never got it back. And the third one broke while I was at the circus with my son on his birthday. And then I cut my hand on the glass trying to save the crystal. And then I went and got a Band-Aid, and I went to throw out the Band-Aid wrapper, and the bloody crystal fell on the floor and broke. So that black obsidian crystal water bottle had too much negative energy in it, because the purpose of black obsidian is to absorb negative energy. So if you're somebody who has a lot of negative energy around you, especially if you're an empath like myself, I would highly recommend a piece of black obsidian. So as you can see, I've just taken a large chunk of black obsidian and just chucked it in a normal plastic water bottle. Reason why is because the glass ones just keep breaking. I will get another one at some point, but maybe I can find a plastic one. I don't know. It is something that I want to patent on my own as to how to keep it charged at all times. So if I do that, I'll probably create it in plastic bottles. But we'll see. They might be glass. But I'll just have to find a better protective case because the protective cases just don't work. Like I said, I've had 2 of them break on me, and the other one got left on the bus, unfortunately, and I never got it back. But I thought that was a pretty genius idea to just chuck the black obsidian in a normal plastic water bottle that won't break. And of course, as I was making my Amare Happy Juice this morning, my wonderful little child decided to dump it out on me. So he spilt the entire container with 2 of the 3 packages mixed into it already onto the counter and the floor. So I was a little ticked off about that one because he wasted a day on me. So unfortunately, I now have to get it a day earlier than expected. And I have 18 packages left of the 2 powders that are in a package. And then I have most of the container of the other stuff left because I had some left over in the other one from before. Anyway, but yes, my lovely child decided to dump the entire thing on the floor and on the counter. So I had to waste a package of my Amare, which is rather expensive. It cost me around $200 to get my Amare. I'm also trying another product through Amare. It's called Ignite. I'm not going to explain what that is for, but if you're curious about it, you can definitely look it up on the site. But I'm trying it out because it might help me out with some of the aspects of my anhedonia. The website is Amare, A-M-A-R-E, global, Global.com.